the shield is cracking. I don't want it to break. MS, what is this? The countdown is almost over.
Remain calm, Nini. Focus on the core. This is the final challenge.
Just a little longer, Nimbus. We're almost there. Look, the debris is swirling so fast. Nimbus, what are you doing?
Nini, you must be more careful.
But I was just practicing. Nini is ready. Nimbus, this energy feels warm.
It is, Nini. Harness it for your journey.
I'm sorry, Nimbus. MX, did you see that? It's beautiful. Nini wants to help. What does Nimbus need?
Nini, this is not your fight. Remain here until I return.